Hey, it's Rick here with MaritimeGardening.com. I got an old dead tree that I gotta get out of the ground here, and I just thought I'd show you a trick for doing that. You know, when I was a younger man, I just put my back into it and give her, and things would, you know, you grunt and you groan and you strain, and you know, you just use your power. Now I'm a bit older, got some aches and pains, and you know, we're all damaged goods, sort of thing. So I'll show you a way to use a little bit of leverage here. Use a little physics to get this thing up. So this is the old tree here. I'm hoping the wood is not so damaged that I can't get a nail into it. So hopefully it'll hold a nail. See? All right, that's a bit rotten, but hopefully there's enough good wood there to hang on to that. Now I'm going to put what's called a lark's head. It just, you have a loop like this, and you bend it over and you make a P like that. It's called a lark's head. Right, the harder you pull, it tightens. Right, but as soon as you stop pulling, you can undo it. All right, so I put that over the stump. Get the rope nice and low. Cinch her up real tight. Okay? Now, we've had a lot of rain, so the ground's nice and soft. This is why I'm doing this now. I also have a tree I need to plant. It doesn't hurt to just, you know, use your pickaxe to loosen the ground up a bit. But you assume there's a lot of roots down there, right? I mean, if you got this close to your driveway or something like that, you just find a way to attach this to your back of your car or truck, attach that and pull, right? But I'm nowhere near my driveway here. I got to use muscle. So, got a pry bar, right? A lever. I got a fulcrum. This is my fulcrum, right? And I got a point of contact. Loop that around once. Go like that. Try to get it as close to my fulcrum as I can. And now, just push down on it using my body weight. Pretty much got her. That's still pretty, that's still pretty tight there. Let me give that one more yank. I could probably muscle that out, but I'm going to be smart here. Just loop that around 3 times. Oh, shoot. Come on now. 1, 2. Let's get that up first. Come on, man. 1, 2. Let's take the pickaxe to her. Remove some of the dirt from it. It's pretty loose. There we go. Ah. All right, so I use a little bit of muscle, but it was that first freeing up of the roots using the lever that really made all the difference, right? The longer the lever is, the greater the advantage. So I'm a 200-pound man. Because I was hanging on to the very end of that, about a 4-foot pole, and the end was only about 6 or 7 inches from my fulcrum, that stump. It was like I was a 500, 600, 700-pound man, right? So it made a big difference. I didn't really have to strain my back. Now I got to get some more soil, plant a tree. But anyway, if you got something you got to get out of the ground and it's not coming out, just do that. Put a nail in it. That's just so your knot doesn't slip. I mean, there's lots of knots you can tie that are supposed to hang on really well. And you know, that stump was coarse enough that it probably would have hung on. But why screw around? Stick a nail through it. Just makes it easier. Use that lark's head knot, because once you get the thing out, where'd it go? Once you get the thing out, it comes off very easily, because it tightens as you pull, but the minute you release the tension, it immediately comes loose. And that's how you get it. Anything, you get a fence post, you know, anything that's been driven into the ground, you want to get it out. You know, for some trees, if they have a really, really elaborate root structure, this is a dead tree, so a lot of the roots have died, right? Got a really, really elaborate root structure, you might have to go around with a shovel like this, use a file to sharpen the edge, and drive it in all the way around, just to cut a lot of the roots. And hopefully, you know, if you get a long enough lever, you know, assuming the lever won't break, you can use a big tree too, you can use whatever, but it should get it out, because you've just got all of that advantage. All right, so I hope you found that interesting. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and until next time, get out there, get at it, have fun in your garden. Thanks for watching.